In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record an expense in Zoho Books. Whether you're new to this platform or just need a refresher, this guide is designed to walk you through each step clearly so you can manage your finances with ease. Let's get started by heading over to the Zoho Books website. If you're not familiar with Zoho Books, it's an excellent tool for managing all your business accounting needs, from invoicing to tracking expenses. Once you're there, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the Sign In button. You'll find this button typically at the top corner of the page. Signing in is a straightforward process, and if it's your first time, make sure you enter the correct credentials to avoid any hassles later. If you've logged in before, your details may autofill, saving you time. After signing in, you'll arrive on the Zoho Books homepage. This is your main dashboard where you'll have access to all features and tools that Zoho Books offers. Now locate the settings option on the homepage. This is a crucial step toward accessing the necessary tools for your financial entries. Once you're in the settings, the next couple of clicks are vital. Click on the purchases option. This might seem a bit indirect if you're solely focused on expenses, but it's all part of the broader purchases category within Zoho. Once you've clicked on purchases, you'll find an expenses option within the menu. It's important to note that the expenses section is where you actually get to input your expense data. This section is meticulously organized, helping you to easily input, edit, or review expense entries. Entering your expenses in this module is quite intuitive. You will see fields to fill out with specific information about each expense. The details might include the payee, the amount, the date, and any notes or tags that could help categorize the expense for future reference. Filling these out accurately is paramount, not only for financial clarity, but also for efficient future audits or analyses. Before you finish up, review all the information you've entered to ensure it's accurate and complete. This will help you avoid any discrepancies or the need to revisit entries later on. After confirming all details, you may proceed to save your entry. Zoho will usually provide a prompt or confirmation message to let you know that your expense has been successfully recorded. And that's it, you have now recorded an expense in Zoho Books. Following these steps ensures that you maintain a coherent and organized financial record. This can lead to more insightful business decisions in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on how to use Zoho Books efficiently.